All right, Maddie.
Wash your hands.
Make sure you wash your hands after you eat that.
Don't touch your PB after you eat that.
Any other words of advice?
I'd swallow it whole.
Yeah, just don't even chew.
I can't promise that's not going to happen.
Don't smell it. Do they smell spicy?
No,
Not
there's no
so you get
smell. It's
inside.
like all plastic.
Okay,
Is
dude.
it?
Right.
Mostly seeds.
That's the hot part. Is it like instant?
Just eat an entire habanero.
Want another one?
Is it bad?
Not really.
Face doesn't say that.
It's a creeper.
I'm just trying to get all the seeds down.
It wasn't bad.
That, that thing you did last time, that. It's still there, but it's not as bad.
Oh, it smells
Yeah, that ought to have.
good.
Yeah, it actually smells good.
Really
The
good.
Flying Pie does the triple habanero
In my
challenge.
pockets. I think it just hit him.
Oh, it's there.
I've done that, and that's not even that bad.
Your blush.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So 1 to 10.
Come on.
He does that all the time.
4?
Yeah, 4.
Really?
We have to do another one. No.
Fingers away
Still,
Jason's feeling shit right now.
Hurting?
He's crying.
Is it getting worse?
it is getting worse. What the fuck?
How about now, 1 to 10?
Sit back down.
Where'd you get it at?
So it wasn't really.
Yeah,
It's a habanero.
It's a habanero.
Oh.
Oh,
Hot
no,
one.
if it was a ghost pepper, you wouldn't be. You'd be in the
Probably
back.
not.
You'd be like,
What is that?
Oh, you got more.
Yeah,
I got enough for the class. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you have to eat all of them. Good challenge.
Aren't the littler ones usually
Are those
hotter?
extras?
Yeah. Hey,
man.
man. The more dry, the better.
Are you gonna do it?
But not like
no.
dried out. Like,
There's
dried
cream
and
in
stuff
it.
might
I'll
help.
do it if you do it.
Don't worry, the heat's gonna help you.
Not today.
I can't drink hot coffee.
Hey.
My coffee's on my desk.
So what's your pain level right now? 1 to 10.
It's going up, but it's
Not
not
as
new.
bad as the other shit.
This one feels like it's burning more, but it's not as painful.
Huh. Did you just like eat it and chew it up and swallow it, or did you chew it up and
Swish it.
swish it around?
I tried to chew it up and swallow it.
Gotcha. All right, thanks, man.
Thanks, man. Meeting over.